Twist off the hang tab to assemble the rescued Japanese beetle trap. Then, open the resealable bag to remove the trap's components. The included lure cartridge uses powerful pheromones that attract Japanese beetles. Reseal the bottom of the bag and retrieve the four-sided panel component. With the top of the trap held open, insert the upper tab from each panel into its corresponding loop around the trap opening. The lower tabs fit into slots around the trap's entrance, locking the panels in place. Slide the lure cartridge flat side up onto the hanging post, ensuring that the hanging hole is exposed. Use the included twist tie to hang the trap at least 30 feet away from your garden or ornamental plants.